Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got another Temu tool haul for you. It's only a little one. So I get this package open and I'll show you the little parts that are inside it. So I've already opened the package. Let's grab these out and have a look inside it. First up, you've got these really cool looking spark plug numbers, not spark plug numbers, socket numbers. So these are to help label your sockets. Got a metric size and a standard size. And you've also got T's and E's. This makes it easy to identify your sockets. I thought they were pretty nifty, they were quite cheap, so worth picking up. And then we'll go through to the next part. We've got a set of palm ratchets. So there's 3 in here, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch and 3/8. Again, there'll be another thing to have a proper look at in just a moment. We've also got this lovely little thing. And we've got one more item hiding in here. Just in here, so pop this bag out the way. We'll pop the hammer down. And yeah, we'll start with this one. The package is already open. It's open, and inside here we have a stubby 3/8 ratchet. Got some knurling on it. Seems pretty hefty. It's pretty solid. Fairly robust. Obviously people have seen my little 1/4 inch drive that I picked up from Temu not too long ago. It looked fairly good, fairly robust. Obviously the other ratchet was in its own video. I'll put a link to it somewhere, I'm sure you'll find it. They're a pretty handy little thing. We'll move on to the next one now, which is this one just here. It is a very short tool haul video. There's very much to get. Obviously all the items I picked up I paid for myself. And we have this lovely sump plug adapter remover. So you pop this on, you break open your sump plug and you pop this on and then you can twist it off. With this lovely braided cable on it. The magnet is fairly strong. You can pick up this ratchet, which is pretty impressive. You should be able to hold onto a sump plug. Yeah, this is for, removing sump plug without getting oil on your hands. And then we have the 3-piece ratchet set of the last 3 pieces on it. Let me adjust the camera a bit more. I'll grab a knife quickly and we'll get this open for you. There we are. Let's get this packet open and see what these are like. Put the knife down so I don't cut myself. Yeah, we've got 1, 2 and 3. So we'll start with the 1/2 inch. So obviously these are reversible too. Yeah. They're fairly chunky. You don't sound like you have too many teeth in them. I wonder if this is how many teeth they're meant to have in them. Let me just read the packaging. It doesn't on the packaging. But it's a nice little set nonetheless. They've got this nice knurling around the edge. Useful for them ones that are hard to get to. We'll move on to the 1/4 inch now. I'm going to grab a 1/4 inch socket. I've got one available up here. That's quite nice actually. Very robust. And then we've got the 3/8. Next to the reversible so you can go the other way. Fairly handy. Really going to be good for getting all those fasteners. You can literally just get your hand in there. And you literally just tighten them down. Especially if you're like up behind something, you just need to loosen it off. Or tighten it down. Obviously once I've used it a bit I'll give you a proper what's in my toolbox on them and give you a full rundown on them. Yeah, this is a very little tool haul for this one from Temu. There wasn't very much I wanted on there this time. This magnet is incredibly strong. Yeah, there wasn't very much on here. Look forward to seeing my sockets decorated with these little boys. And yeah, overall, pretty handy little set. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to drop a like. Subscribe if you want to see more from me. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.